Hello and welcome to another pop vinyl unboxing, and today I'll be unboxing an order I placed with EMP in the summer sale, and yeah, I think it was about under a fiver for this pop in particular. With a very good sale. I think the sale's still on now, so if you want to pick up a bag, go and check it out. But yeah, as I said, this is just a little something I picked up while it was on sale. With my other pop videos, I'm got a couple of months behind on popping a box. Just moved recently, so they're all still packed up in the boxes. So they should be coming out in the next few weeks, hopefully. But yeah, let's open this box. What is in the box? Just dropped out. Yeah, the summer sale we've got on at the moment, and I think I paid for this pop £4.79. It's not too bad. And it actually comes in a little sort of box. Probably gives it away that now. But it's nice that they've actually come in a little box. Get that added protection. Let's open this up and see what the pop looks like. Hopefully it should be in good condition. It's been in a sort of box. And this is the Funko Shop's limited edition Billy Madison. I can get Billy Madison, Danny McGarth and Penguin White Cocktail. The box is immaculate. There are the ones again, but Billy Madison's I love, probably one of my favourite Adam Sandler films, and it's really nice. Big Daddy though, and the earlier Adam Sandler films I really enjoyed. And some nice detail on it. You can see it's like college sweaterish. Too sure what it is, but you can see his cap as well. Nice, got some nice detail on it. It's got cargo shorts as well, and yeah, it's a really good pop for the price. I'm not sure if these are supposed to be, these marks are supposed to be on there. They might actually be from like the film and stuff like that, but for the £4.79, I think this one usually we're retailing for about $10 to $12.99, I believe. But I'm not sure what it's worth on the pop vinyl directory, but I will pop that in the description below. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I should be bringing some more videos very soon.